So this year I'm not making money makers. These are beefsteak tomatoes. They're completely different shape. These are only a few weeks old, and I let them grow. They look like little pumpkins. Yeah. They look like little pumpkins. They start off completely different shape to money makers, but they look similar. Look at the flowers, and let's just go behind. Look at that. So, view from the top. So these are not money makers. These are I planted them way back in April when I came back from holiday, and hopefully, look at that. These ones have grown tall, but the flowers haven't been pollinated yet. So hopefully my local bee population in London makes a beeline and pollinates these guys. So lots of flowers. Look at that one, lots of flowers. It's getting taller and taller, but we haven't had the pollination. Remarkably, they're quite tall. So that's the result I'm looking for, some pollination. Oh, let's go behind there. I can see something like that. Those have been pollinated. These haven't. Now it's October the 1st. We've got one good month left, and then the frost sets in.